in the world are related to brain. When I doing the study, this one, according to the researches, there is more than 200 brain related issues, problems, people suffering. So how we manage that one, what is the program as we doing today? First, we have to understand what kind of the brain issues person is suffering. There is no any medication to just only the focus on the one type of medicine or one type of the therapy. You can handle the cases of mental disorders. Best way, in my experience, because I done the cases of the brain related ADHD, autism, dementia, Alzheimer's, and other so many people suffering from the anxiety, depression. People taking the medication to suppressing the symptoms, taking the medicine for to avoid the brain issues. The medications, most of them, to give them a relax, give them sleep. But that is the, according to my research and Ayurveda, I do only Ayurveda, as you know, there is no solution there other way until we find the what is the root cause of the problem. Simple theory, Ayurveda say, there is something wrong, that the reason our body, our system is not responding to us. Brain is a very small area. I always say this is 6-inch by 8-inch area. 10-inch, maybe somebody have 8 by 8-inch. That's not more than that area. We have the more major gland who controlling our body's organs living in our brain area. As I told last videos, who listening to my video, if they listened properly, otherwise they can go back again. I don't think so in one go they can find out what I'm trying to say. All my researches, all my the work so many years, what I found, I said, as I said before, there is no any diseases, only our body is unbalanced, our system is unbalanced. They are only symptoms. Like brain issues also have the symptoms. There's nothing more than that one. How can we find this person have the ADHD, autism, schizophrenia, that any mental disorder? How can we recognize? How the doctor recognize? They recognize only when they see the symptoms. So mean they are all the symptoms. All the symptoms are, if we know the what is the reason of that symptom, where from this symptom is coming, then we can handle these things easily according to Ayurveda. Like I told you in the beginning, when I done the research of there's more than 200 mental disorders. And day by day, they're increasing. Day by day, the more people adding in that one. And this is the big problem. Solution is not much. They're trying, WHO also saying they have the, I studied that one, they from 2013 to 2030, they say they can do the many things, but it's not so much things still till now is done. reason we are not finding the solution of the problem. What is the reason that mental or mind or hormones, the disorders not working properly? When what cases I done is very bad case of the ADHD. I mentioned on that one. How many cases come to me? We get the good result for that one. Very successfully, I treated that one. Success is like that's living like a normal person now. I not give any medicine for the ADHD. I not give any medicine for the dementia or Alzheimer. I make the medicine treatment for what is the reason the brain is not working properly. All the brain issues, all the disorders, what is this? Nearly 20 type of the symptoms, that one, they all related to brain. Why brain is not working properly? We have to find the solution on that. As the Ayurveda say, you have the three reasons: Vat, Pitta, or Kapha disorders. As last video I told, there is three type of in Ayurveda rog, we say sadhya, kashta sadhya, asadhya. As on the last my video, I mentioned that one. Thousands years ago in Ayurveda, our acharyas mentioned that one. Kashta sadhya means nowadays in the modern world, in allopathy, they call them autoimmune disease. They are not curable. Clearly, they mentioned that one. And they say you can suppress them, you can handle them, you can control them. Control mean is the, like everybody know, with the medication to suppressing the pain, giving the medicine for the sleep, giving the medicine for the keep the person calm down. That is not the solution according to Ayurveda, according to my knowledge, according to my treatments. Solution is why our brain is not responding to, and the brain is self is not responding to it. They are the glands who related to the brain. Those glands giving the hormones and order to the body to work properly, order to the handle person properly the situation. That is in so many brain issue people have the so much aggressive, so much anxiety, so much problems, you name it. Who are suffering in the family, somebody they know. Children, adult, old age, every age, people have the patients, that one. So best way to start what I done, start brain area working fully. All the glands on that area start responding to our organs. As I told in the last videos, we have nearly 78 organs and 43 glands. Any disease, any problem only give us the symptom and problems when those problems are not balanced. If we want to manage the brain issue, should we need the proper information? Without information, you can try to handle many ways to give the counseling. But counseling, many people say counseling is work. I'm agree with them, but not 100%. Counseling only you can give somebody, if somebody accept that counseling from you, if we listen from you, many health problems people, patients, they don't want to listen. They don't want to follow you. Reason not they are bad, because their brain is not supporting them. They are confused. When person is confused, can't handle their system, then they won't listen to anybody. Only you can give them the treatment when they are ready to listen. Why they don't listen, that is other problem. Reason they are not listening, not understanding, reason of that one is because their brain is not concentrating properly, not making decision properly on time, not resting properly. This is the main reason. We have to make the brain active first, make the person to listen your advice and take for, depend on the how bad condition, what stage that person, what stage that patient. We have to monitor everything. We have to find out. We have to do the consult properly. We need the very much specialist who understand the body system and brain system. Body and brain system too is different. They're working together. Brain is main system to run our body's organs. If a brain is dead, the person is on the coma. Person is like useless, like a cabbage. So make them the balance and each other connection. When we do this one, then definitely we can handle the brain issue through the Ayurveda. What medicine or after my research, I designed how can we do it, that one, but need to be proper information, proper the checkup on that one. Then what stage, what is the condition, what is the reason of the person who got this kind of problem, who trapped in this kind of things, not only one thing. In my patients, I experienced, for example, when the ADHD patient, I can little bit tell that one. Not in this country, that patient, I diagnosed on the telephone. When I diagnosed that one, when somebody recommend my name to them, and when I start taking my consultation and asking the questions, when I ask the question on that one, what is the symptom, found the symptom, after that one, I asked that one to his mother, in the pregnancy, do you have the liver problem? Jaundice? She said, yes. Her word was, oh my God, how you know? Ayurveda is a very great science. When Ayurveda has a different way to treat, different way to diagnose, different theory of the treatment. Ayurveda, we can't compare with any other therapy. If we work completely with the Ayurveda, take the treatment completely according to Ayurveda, definitely we can reverse and we can save so many people. After that one, we start the treatment, and that boy is after 6-7 months, but results start coming. As I always say to any my patient, within 1 month, if you can't get any result from my medicine, you go somewhere else. I don't waste patients' time. And same thing I done with them. I got so many videos, so many messages from them, how they giving me blessing. That boy, 7 year, not called her mother mom, just quiet and making noise, big noises. You know the ADHD patient, very severe case, that one. And after that one, he's now in the full-time school. After 2 months, he start with the other his student, and in the therapy room and everything. They start cooperating with them. Ayurveda can do it. Which way I design the treatment, I do that one. And if Dr. Joshi is listening, Dr. Joshi, when I told, he met their family. Dr. Joshi is witness. If he there, I'm definitely tell him to come on the forward. And he met them. He say, I want to see them in the London. And his father, what he told, he say he's seen the 8 best consultant in the whole world. He tried every kind of therapy, but with the Ayurveda, that boy is going full toast. Ayurveda can reverse any, like a so-called disease. We say the Ayurveda is only the therapy who managing your organs, managing your system of your body. That is the best solution. Our body have in our inside have their own doctor who handling that. We call the autoimmune disease. That isn't, they say, immunity, if the working start properly, and every area they start working. Maybe take time, but definitely start working. Other cases I done, Alzheimer and this one, so many, they start working within 1 or 2 months, but start a response from the patient to changing their habit, changing their nature, changing their behavior within 1 month. So with the Ayurveda, we can do it, but we have to follow fully Ayurveda instructions, fully Ayurveda medicines, fully Ayurveda therapy, what he's saying. Many people have the problem. They are used to, they want to very quick, maybe not very fast. Sometimes I say, last week one person said, Ayurveda is slow. I say, how can Ayurveda slow? If you're suffering from 10 years with the Alzheimer and you're taking medicine, that's the brain issue. There's 200, I can't put the name, no need take very long time, so many weeks we have to do that one. I'm just telling that one. Then how can you say Ayurveda is slow? For last 10 years, you don't have a response. You day by day, year by year, the person become more and more and more in difficulty. In the beginning, he can handle himself or she can, patient can handle. Now you need one person to look after him or her. So Ayurveda, if you start working within 2 months, you have to give time to Ayurveda. Don't expect from the Ayurveda is, we take the medicine and second day we have to be okay. These kind of chronic disease, which one related to autoimmune disease, in according to Ayurveda, asadhya rog, Ayurveda can control, make your life, patient's life livable and good life, manageable, socialize, they can become the more better. So, but only this is the, how can we manage? I can say to everyone, manageable we can do with the Ayurveda, but you have to also keep the patients, that one, and take the proper treatment. As I'll always say, there are so many Ayurveda practitioners in the world. I respect them very much. I can't handle the whole world until the WHO or any government ask me or take my medicine, take my treatment to support me or anything. Neha ji, you are doing great job. If they do, I'm happy to share with them. I feel very sorry when I see the small children or old people are suffering unnecessary. They should not be suffer. Ayurveda can handle them. Ayurveda can help them. But need to be many things to be done. I made the medicine. I designed the treatment. But I and you can't I can't more than that one. There's so many things like a COVID time. I done that one, and the many too much expensive to do that. That is scientifically we proven that one, and this one according to after the COVID. I was doing study this after the 26 to 28% mental problems become increased. In 22, they say the 1% in 8 was have the mental issue. And after the COVID, 3-4 years, not I'm saying this is the research. I'm a member of them. I got a research reports, and they say 26 to 28% of people that start suffering. In 2019, they say the 970 million people were suffering. You can imagine now 28% or 26%. How much is gone? More than billion is gone. Who's the responsible that one? We have to be look after everyone. Everyone, the person, one thing I definitely say this one before we take the calls from other people, all the people listening to me, thanks very much. One thing I tell that one, we should also take our responsibility genuinely, reasonably. Reason is not only that child become on this system. They can so many reasons genetically. They have so many reasons. Maybe their mother is not well that time. Maybe she suffered that time. Most of, according to my research, according to my finding, many the children are genetically, and many when mother is pregnant, then all the thing child taking from the mother, what kind of trauma that mother gone through, what kind of the problem that mother gone through, no one know, no one telling. Mother may be okay, but after children become like this one. So we have to be find out what kind of the mental problem that patient on old age, young age, doesn't matter any age. And this one on the last, I say, as I have the half an hour, I within 1 minute or 2 minutes, I conclude my lecture. This treatment in Ayurveda, we can handle these things and we can make their life more livable. Need all together, work together, need to be take seriously. Otherwise, whole life taking, according to, they said they have no any permanent solution there. And poor patients, children, adults, they are suffering unnecessary. They should live in this world, healthy life, peaceful life, happy life. Need the proper treatment. And as I told you, you have so many areas, maybe Ayurveda practitioner, go take your report. If he can't give you the result within 2 weeks to 1 month, change the physician. That's my that one. And Neha ji, I say again, you bring the very, very important subjects in your lectures. And thank you very much. You giving me only 24-hour challenges on every that one. And thanks very much. And I'm very happy and proud of you, what you're doing. and I leave it for my participant patients or other people listening to our program. If they want any question, I'm try to give them answers. Thank you very much. Hope everybody is like. If you like, please spread these messages. Our my and Nehazi's mission is only educate the people, educate them, give them the hope what we Ayurveda can do it. And I say again, Nehaji, thank you very much. All the persons listening, bless them.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. Thank you very much. I don't think I alone do it. Of course, your support. And I don't think you need more than 20. I don't think you need any time to prepare anything. You're always ready. I have a question, Dr. Singh, because
When you
this is
say
again.
like this, when I become shy, okay, blush.
Yeah, thank you. Very kind of you. Yes, I've been working in mental health for all this time, and we all know the challenges and the outcome of all the therapeutics, what we know. So there is a very common of trauma, the long-term illnesses and the trauma. So how does the Ayurveda work on the treatment or management of this long-term trauma, which people do suffer often?
This is good question, but I told you why the brain or brains glands are not working. That is my research, which way I treat. What the written in there, somebody, I don't know. But which way I find the solutions, you have to be make the brain clean, what I do. There are so many therapy, like a panchkarma therapy, they clean the body. But clean until not clean the brain system, their brain therapy, cleansing therapy is different. When brains have the lot of fibrin, lot of mucus there, that the cell is blocked. Like a, and they can't take the decision. When they're struggling, they become angry. They want to do it, they understand. I seen the autistic children and others, they understand, but they can't handle the situation. This is the big problem. When they can't handle, they become angry. If they handle that one, they are very clever people. Which one they have the, when you see the, sometimes you are working from long time with them, you see sometimes they are very clever. They talk very nicely. Am I right? Hello, Nehaji.
Yes, yes, Dr. Singh. Yes, you're very right.
Sometimes you working on them with them, they sometimes they give the very nice answer, very polite, very friendly, and suddenly they go everything go wrong. Why? Because those time that area of the brain got the oxygen properly. From cleansing the brain is very difficult system. All I'm lucky, you can say. So I designed that one. God, I think, very big gift for me to full body cleansing. Full body. That reason I made. I don't know before I got the patients for this kind of health problems. I try on that one. I made actually that full body cleansing to organs clean, but brain is also organ. Then I use on that and it work very well, give me the very good result. That one I see, we don't need any other cleansing to clean the brain. That is work for everywhere. I give that definitely some kind of herbs in that one. We have to add that one. It's not only one thing you can use it. It's depend on the what kind of the other problem that patient is suffering. Some patients suffering diarrhea. Some patients have the IBS problem in the system. Some people have the other skin problem. So you have to take the proper information, proper diagnosis system, then you have to cover the whole body system. Then this kind of problem can solve, but not only one medicine. I can mention many names of the herbs, but why I'm not on the telephone? The people think this is the solution. No, when stage is gone like a bad, need the treatment or come under those umbrella, brain issues umbrella, don't give that one. Maybe that give the problem if you don't take properly. You need the proper consultant. If a proper somebody is expert on that one can better to waste. Don't waste the time on the unnecessary, unreliable medicines, unreliable doctors. I also say this one who don't know that one. As I told you, take the blood report and give to him or her anything. Or this is the problem, doctor. This is blood report. What can you do it? If that doctor not give the proper answer, don't waste your time. People wasting their time on the suppressing their issues. There's no chance with the Ayurveda. This one only you can't do anything. You know you're working. Once the patient become aggressive, don't listen. There's all drama start there, and they are not doing purposely. They can't handle even small children, big children, adult, and everything. Everyone can become because they are not doing. They are poor, innocent. I say they are because their brain that time not giving the handling that one. They become aggressive. They're doing wrong things that one because their brain hormone is not controlling the body. Brain hormones are not responding to the person. So this is the solution is only to need the proper treatment for them. For the proper treatment, need the proper information, and with the information, definitely we can give them good life. If they not damage 100% the system, if the 75 to 80% system is damaged even, still we can make it livable life.
What about the anxiety disorders, panic, depression, the clinical conditions like that, Dr. Singh?
Anxiety, depression, I think, I don't know which webinar I told in that one, they are not any disease. They are, you can handle with them the counseling. Depression, anxiety, they are somebody else creating for patient. Patient can't handle them. He should learn how to handle the other. He should learn people if they say something, how can answer them. Counseling very important in that one, first or second stage. If they go on stage more than that one, then is brain involved inside. In the beginning, anxiety, depression, brain not involved. Brain can't handle only. When anxiety, depression, we getting from other people, not self. If person, because self healing or self looking after self becomes his own friend, then he no need or she no need anybody. I so many times told this person, don't make so many friends. You no need quantity, you need quality. Who gives you the happiness, who look after you, who take care of you, who which one you can manage your life. Problem is, many people, they want many friends. Many friends have the many problems. As the I told few minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, there's nearly 1 in 8 in the 2019, 5 years ago, the person is a mental problem. I don't think so. 1 is 8 now. I think 1 is 4 now. We every day experiencing. Very quickly become people angry. Very quickly they can cheat you. Very quickly they can give you the problem. They don't have the patience. They don't want to listen. They don't want to your advice. Don't give your advice. Let them person enjoy their life. Let them what they want. Just give the space to them. Many people they don't give us too much asking to do this one, do that one. That is also one reason many persons can't handle that situation. Then they become the mental issues. Depression and anxiety only you can get from somebody else's behavior. Stop that one. That is the best medicine for them. Best advice from me. And if they do this one, they can try that one. If they can't handle, they have the, if they have become the health problem with that one, then they have to take the health problem. If that anxiety is according to your health problem, you have to take the health problem issues. There's no any only therapy can work then. Many medicine have the side effects. I can't mention the name. That side effects also bring your brain toxified. When your brain is toxified, they clearly written in the medications, oh, this one become the brain. So you can't handle with the normal therapy. You need to be that toxin come out from the body. If you the other solution is waste of time, completely waste of time. People doing this one from so many years, and they can't find any solution, and there's no any herb can work that time. People on the media, they have many people telling this thing, take this thing, take this thing. If they work, they should be, everybody should be healthy now. Why not become the any solution, or become any results on that one? We have to think about that. When we think, oh, why not we getting a result? We have the so many, like as the media remedy doctors, MRD, so many relations, so many relatives. They, oh, take this one, take that one. If should be, everybody should be happy now. But day by day, more people are suffering, more aggressive things coming, more problems are going high. So only the solution, take the proper way to treat. Only proper way do the professional can do it, that one, if somebody is stuck that one. This is my advice for the anxiety, depression, blood pressure, the people. Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. I'll allow everybody else to question if they may have. If nobody is pitching in, can I take another one? There
Yeah,
is
you can.
very, very commonly we often hear Dr. saying, and again, it's in families, in friends, and even ourselves, worry cycle, and we can't stop worrying, and that's again becoming a habit that we all worry constantly. We worry, and that's becoming a new normal. And we know that is not a good one, and that does affect overall health, but we still can't stop. So how about a quick
Worrying.
one of your, yes, worry.
Okay. Worrying. Okay. Very simple. Worrying means why we worried. First thing we have to think that one. What kind of worry we have? Nehaji, you are very expert that one. What kind of worries we have? The worries are so many type of worries.
Yes.
Not one type of worries. Worries are, oh, we don't have enough money. We don't have the job. Oh, I need the new car. They got the worry is also the created, people create themselves 80-90%. 80-90%. If we live like what we have, we start satisfying in that one ourselves. Then worried, we can cut it down 80-90%. Worry should part of our body. Without worrying, we become careless. If we have the hormones to worry, to look after care, worry is that one, oh, I'm worried about that one, this is not done. How can we do it? You can make the solution. If the reasonable thing, when you person worrying unnecessary because they want to luxury living, they want to luxury house, they want so many things out of control, they go there. They took the so many people have the worry about the so much, they take the loan, so much they take the jewelry, so much they take the, oh, I've never been to the holiday, oh, I have been to, oh, people, what people say. No, don't do that one. If you, where you living, live there peacefully. What you have, you can manage on that one, your life. Then worry, I think 80% is cut it off. People ask me, how you staying healthy all the time, smiling all the time, you laughing. My patients sometimes come and say, I say, I'm not worried about anything. If somebody don't like me, don't speak with me, I say, okay, thank you very much. If somebody don't give me the answer, I say, okay, uh, I'll think about that one. But if he don't think about me, so I have to respect that person. I'm worried. Why not he answering? Why not he be giving this one? I told do this way. Why not he doing that way? No, let them do himself. If you are a good friend, let the live other people their life. Worried we not bring with us when we born. Worried we collecting from other things, other people. If don't collect that one, don't take other people go into the other territory. Let them. If they need help, everyone in the world, you know, you are very experienced lady. Everybody want their own experience, and let them do it. If somebody asks you the advice, give as a friend, not as a boss, not order to that one. When we order something, then boss also become in the anxiety, depression, worried. Why not they listening to me? No, I never do this one. I always, I before I also had a problem. When I start this kind of the treatments, then I found, oh, what, why I'm worried? No, doesn't matter. One of my patients say, you are, we can't sleep. I say, how you sleep? I say, when I go to my room, I close my room, shut off my telephone, I sleep like a child. In the morning, I wake up, what I want to eat, I eat it. Not saying to anybody, do my own job. Should we work like this one? Self-independent person when become, then worries, anxiety, depression automatically gone. There's sometimes worry, depression, anxiety, that's a part of the brain's nature. Because when you can't handle, then little bit worry, it's nothing wrong. They make your brain active. Otherwise, your brain is dead if you don't worry. But worry make your life, if you make the worried, depression and anxiety part of your life, then is dangerous, then is in the problem. These things should be handled and properly handled. Don't unnecessary to give the advice to other people. Look after yourself. You can try this one. I'm telling anybody listening, try this one. It's simple way. You can do your own counseling. You can manage your own system. You have the good brain. Brain is very powerful organ in our body. And brain is so powerful, you can keep in your brain so many things. And second one, I don't want to miss this point. Brain, when we put so many things in our brain, so many people's worried in our brain, we closing that one, keeping always, why not he done, she done the work, everything, no one listening to me, no one is my friend. You become your own friend. That is best way, because you can't cheat yourself. Friends can cheat you, relative can give you the problem, relation can give you the problem. You can't, you are best friend. Which day you become your best friend yourself, the life is very beautiful, life is very peaceful, life is out of worry, out of depression, out of anything. You look after yourself. That is the best way, Nehaji, to live in this world nowadays. Because as the according to mental health disorders, as nearly 50%, I think people are suffering from that one. They are same mistake they're doing. They want something to keep the calm brain. If you make the brain calm, you can't do the work next day. Like your muscles become stressed then. No. Only you can handle yourself. Person own can handle his these problems. They are not diseases. I always say this one. Hope this one is okay.
Yes, yes. No, thank you very much, Dr. Singh. It is perfect.
Yeah. And
If anybody has any questions for Dr. Singh?
you can ask any other question. You have.
It's mostly everybody's question I often hear, and I thought it will be good just to ask why you're talking about mental health, because most of the time we are always talking about managing mental health and managing these crisis traumatized movements when the disorders are out of control. But for prevention, for management, I'm sure Ayurveda is much more developed and wider and had many more solutions which are feasible and effective than conventional methods. But
Yeah.
thank you very much, Dr. Singh, for a
Very,
beautiful.
very. One thing. Some people ring me and ask me any medication. As I told this one, medication in Ayurveda have the hundreds of some herbs or medication. They the the problem is people saying Ayurveda is not very effective and very slow. After that one, when I working on the television, nearly 2 years I work on that one. I tell so many remedies to people. Then I found people misusing that one. They start using after that one. They say, oh, Ayurveda is not. Remedies are not the Ayurveda. Be clear in your mind. People suffering from the remedies too. Not only their other mistake, remedies also can make your life more problem and also make the bad name of the Ayurveda. I have the hundreds of herbs. I can just put the names on that one. What I done when I got the very good, so when I found small thing you can handle with the remedies. When problem is big, you can't handle with the remedies. Don't waste time on the remedies. Do this is not big thing. Maximum that ADHD patient took 6 months. Now, nearly 4 years now, you're going full-time school, playing with other children, enjoying swimming, that thing, bicycle, everything you're doing. But their parents, I salute to their parents, they listen to me properly. When after 1 month started, is that boy come to his mother and call first time mom, she was nearly crying and ringing me straight away. They don't live in UK, they live in foreign country. And she was so happy. And I was also happy. At least that boy is very smart, very beautiful boy. And after that, when we met Dr. Joshi and me, he's, he's behaving like a normal person. Their parents are very happy. Don't waste time on the remedies. Otherwise, you take long. You that person who are suffering, you make them more suffer and more chronic problem, more take time to cure that one. To take the Ayurveda treatment, not that Ayurveda remedies. Ayurveda treatment need, as I told you, proper consultation, proper checkup, and after that one, Ayurveda physician can tell you what is the organ reason of this problem is come. Like a depression can, like anxiety can come, when a sleeplessness has come. There were so many side effects of the medicines. I don't need to put the name of the side effects of medicines, but everybody know. They written clearly. If you're taking from last 10, 15 years, so what are you expecting? These problems can come. So once your body, and secondly, one thing I have to mention one more, all our food have lot of metals, lot of arsenic, that one inside, lot of lead inside. Lead is the main cause of make the brain problems. Who taking that one? Who's responsible for that one? There's everybody know, everybody have no choice now. You have to eat food what you getting inside. But there's one solution. If you do cleansing once a year, this one I'm telling most of my time, what I done, where I got the results from this problem, I done the full body cleansing. You don't have another choice now. If you want to clean your body start working again. Our organs are very great, very quickly reverse. Only the solution doesn't matter any age. You need to be your organs working, running properly. Solution is to all the toxin from your body, not only the this all disease problems is come reason of the organs and glands are not balancing. Why they not balancing? What we eat, what we air, what we drinking, these are all responsible for that one. And everybody know, national WHO also telling everywhere the how many toxins in the water, how many toxin pesticide in the food. What is the air pollution? People are not people have to account what use other word. People know, but they're still finding the solution is like you find nothing. You can't do that one. If you're living in this world, you have to be manage yourself. Remote area where there's not this kind of problem, the people are healthy. Why in the cities? Why in the this area where the lot of cities, a lot of people are living? Why they suffering? Just guess that one. In the remote area with the small villages, there is no any pollution, no water polluted, no any, they're using so much pesticide. They are okay. Why? Magar, we want a shortcut. We don't want to. They are not poor people. They can, what we spending on the electricity, they can live whole month on that one. Who's responsible then? We are. If we choose our life like a luxury life, choose the life where the lot of polluted everything. We eating the food which one a pesticide, which have a lot of metal inside. We have to be look after our health. That's the best solution. Otherwise, day by day, the more and more and new problems coming in our body. So best way to look after your body, look after your system, is like I mentioned 2-3 times. If you run the 500-mile car in a month, and you don't need to every year service. If you're doing the cabbing, then you need every month service for your car. Our body is like our car, a machine. Treat him as a machine and look after that machine. We using too much ourselves, to thinking too much. And what we putting in our body, that is all polluted. This is the reason so many autistic, so many mental health issues. 50, 60, 100 years ago, they have no like this one. Now, I'm not saying this one. WHO saying this one. 1 in 8 person have the health problem in 2019. And they said from 2013, they said in the 230, they can find any solution. But today's reports, they say they don't have the much. They also can't reach to the people more than 25, 26%. 75% people even can't get any kind of the help. So, and all the uh, patients, they don't want, they rely on the health authorities. You should do yourself something. Then you can control, then you can fight with these kind of mental diseases. This is the big issue and big problem. So hope all people understand there's no difficult. You need only one way to every year blood report, which organ is going slow down, make that working properly. That is in my treatment what I found. Then you can live good, healthy life, not so much disease in your body can come inside. Hope this one is okay. Video
Yes,
people get
thank you.
beneficial.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. And
You
I'm
will.
sure if anybody has question, you can always reach out to the WhatsApp group directly to Dr. Singh. His details are always shared after his session. I will share it again. And if you want to reach out confidentiality without to be anonymous, you can also do that. We will not be reflecting any names or details, and he will still be able to answer. So please feel free to get in touch, and we'll see you all next week. Thank you very much, Dr. Singh, for,
Thank you
as
very much.
always,
Thank you very much.
enlightening session.
Have a
Thank
good
you.